problem. Find the Laplace transform of t square plus 1 whole square. So this cannot be done directly. So this should be done using a plus b whole square formula. We have a square plus 2ab plus b square. So that with the help of this formula, the t square plus 1 whole square expansion we need to write. After that, we have to apply the linearity property, and just only one of the formulae need to be applied, that is nothing but the Laplace transform of t power n equals to n factorial by s power n plus 1, the provided n is a positive integer. So this strategy has to be followed to solve this problem. So let us proceed for the solution now. Laplace transform of t square plus 1 whole square. See, we have a plus b whole square formula, that is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Am I correct? So now this can be written the Laplace transform of t square whole square plus 2 times a stands for t square, here b stands for 1 plus 1 square. Okay. So what is t square whole square? Very simple, that you can write it. The Laplace transform of t power 4 plus 2t square plus 1. Okay, you might have understood this step. By applying the linearity property, the Laplace transform of t power 4 plus 2 Laplace transform of t square and plus the Laplace transform of 1. Okay. Sometimes the question may be given like this also, t square plus 1 whole cube. Don't worry, use a plus b whole cube formula. Sometimes it may be given t square minus 1 whole cube. No problem, you can apply a minus b whole cube formula. So now we need to recall the formula Laplace transform of t power n factorial by, here s n to the power of n plus 1, and Laplace transform of 1, that is constant, 1 by s. So this is also part of this formula only, no problem. Okay. So now this equals to, with the help of this formula, n stands for 4 here. So now this is 4 factorial by s power 4 plus 1. And next one is, we have Laplace transform of t square plus 2 times 2 factorial by s power 2 plus 1. So Laplace transform of 1, directly we can write 1 by s. So this is plus 1 by s. Let it be simplified further to get our answer, our destination. See, the 4 factorial is 24, am I correct? By s power 5 plus 2 times 2 factorial is 2 by s cube plus 1 by s. Okay. Now we get 24 by s power 5 plus 2 into 2 4 by s cube plus 1 by s. So this is the answer. So let us solve one more problem. Find the Laplace transform of t cube minus 3t square plus 2. So apply the linearity property and just apply the Laplace transform of t power n, the whose value is equal to n factorial by s to the power of n plus 1, provided n is a positive integer. Okay, let us solve the problem now. Solution. Laplace transform of t cube minus 3t square plus 2. Applying linearity property here, Laplace transform of t cube minus 3 times the Laplace transform of t square, correct, plus Laplace transform of 2 or 2 times Laplace transform of 1 also we can write it. Only one formula need to be recalled. Laplace transform of t power n whose value is n factorial by s to the power of n plus 1. Some textbooks we can write, or we can write like this also, the factorial n by s to the power of n plus 1. Don't get any confusion. And one more, Laplace transform of constant is c by s. So now we can write directly the Laplace transform of t cube. So that is nothing but 3 factorial by s to the power of 3 plus 1. 3 factorial by s to the power of 3 plus 1 and minus 3 times Laplace transform of t square, that is 2 factorial by s to the power of 2 plus 1. Now the Laplace transform of 2, so that is nothing but 2 by s. Okay. So now 3 factorial means 6 by s to the power of 4. 3 times 2 factorial is 2 s cube plus 2 by s. This equal to 6 by s to the power of 4 minus 6 by s cube plus 2 by s. This is the answer.